Hey guys, Sean at Nichols Marine here in Norman. I have something that just came in through these doors. I have a 2019 Lund 1800 Alaskan. You guys are always coming here asking for an everything kind of fishing boat. Well, here it is. We got 3 seats for you and your fishing buddies, a Minn Kota PowerDrive trolling motor, plenty of storage for fishing tackle, rods, life jackets, anything you want. You can put it on here. This is a Mercury 4-stroke 75 horse tiller handle. Also comes with a Humminbird HELIX 7. Guys, this is an everything kind of fishing boat. You can bass fish, sand bass fish, striper fish, catfish. You guys name it, you can do it in this boat. Come by Nichols Marine to get your hands on it. This boat is in very good condition. It will not last long, sits on a trailer. Make sure to swing by Nichols Marine here at Norman at 1700 and Brandon Boulevard, or you can visit our website at nicholsmarine.com.